Enti makatro says excellency the president John Dramani Mahama Assemblies of God for us Penyah no kure say on can be that no kure I friend no kure Mahama can be that or get be that the one can be so that was ya media mo ha ana or did the state of the nation address eba na emu a na ye kire no obetwa tro kese bi wo mu a efa allowances ho ama Mahama anim aguase efrifa ene abronya so abekeka o madwen a kire no mema nkire mu no a kire wadwen ama me e wo comment section ahi Penyah Brock Media mesro say ni di mu obe like video no that my subscribe button some click the notification can free this app this number kire wadwen da ama me e wo comment section so baso a no share for enya bi ahwe ma me mfa nko kire kakra before 2012 ayede Mahama ebetena konwa so no now there was a certain policy ayewo Ghana Hama your friend teachers and nursing training allowance. I say yen nuamo ye offer ase ne mamu a omuko teacher training school any nursing training school no eno ye was sika consequence bia na bosume so bia na aban ne de ma wo mo se de be ya at least omu de beti school fees no so bi any ade as entinya friend allowance na ewo ho but Mahama ebetena konya so no exactly 2014 ana Mahama twam o se Ghana niska o twam no ena o ka kire teachers any nurses for no say metwam na de ntem metwam nyina ne se me the student loan abe replace it instead of bosin bia na wo twen se aban no ma osika bi ni free da bi atwam eti uni card because school any ekoji student loan say be aban o man benya nsi ho eti no wo ya adwuma nyame ade na wo school ni wie na wo nya adwuma ya na aban na tetew ana se wo ya adwuma him eti koji student loan ana Mahama etwa that nursing training and teacher training allowances ni mo at that time no nurses for any teacher for omo ebufu ya omo bufu ya na omo demand the questions and answers any ade say Mahama should restore it and a whole lot. Mahama came to insist that teacher training allowance still cancelled. Mahama ka say mo boy mo ya dey me Mahama me say teacher training allowances no it is still cancelled. You can cry blood enyamasem it is still cancelled. But Mahama heard no one said there be sa alawa na watwam no emmoa no eti e was say odiba because otwam no say e kotia no one restore and what they call the 2016 campaign message. Mahama nye serious baako say what ya konya so ade a wa ye no hu say o mindful ani nye o be sesa wonsa no na what they call 2016 campaign message. Mahama promised Ghana for say yen to abama no 2016 na se nyame adom ne to abama no 2016 na obe restore teacher training and nursing training allowance senka ye tiase atoma wanke abodam ki adwe nya adwuma akiti esi ekon so kwa how wo na wo teso wo ba betwam wo betwam wo say defend the entia wo twam e say we should go for loan instead of waiting for allowance we should go for loan na eno there it still remained council. Now if you dey na esi ye kwa election mu wo be ka kire ye say yan toma na wo ba be sa de aba ade a wo na betu wo twam wo be sa de aba na de be ba de na ne ho fa ba yan toma wansa na wo de aba se Ghana 40 ase pa to ma 2016 je think ye IQ level 7 ke low para say ma se no anto Ghana for trimu omo tutia Mahama boom 2017 and the then government MPP government restore nursing training allowance any teacher training allowances that they in fact any GSA term nursing training allowance restored. Training nurses lined up to say thank you to Akufo. They say nurses for nyina bochi ekogu Akufo office omu kon aseda eni ayeye enyom so ne yatoma nanado say omo tu Akufo do honyom to ne honyom ohwe ne ma no mukura no bitwa say God bless you for alawa and also ekura say when you see Nana, you see alawa just say Nana nie alawa nie we say God bless you Nana for the alawa just say eno na ekura komasi na omu nyina ani ache to Akufo do honyom kamfo no kan me ne ya kire Ghana force Akufo do eni papa o wadwumu fine odo Ghana for in 2019 exactly 7th October 2019 next Ebeka when ya ne akwa abatu and nursing training for sabe kan sebi I said they commended Akufo said they praised Akufo for restoring the allowance. Alawana is so smooth from 2017 to 2019 month be a bad to no one so moje in that 2019 no all placard na ekura oma ba ko ye no atwe say nana we need you for 2020 meaning say nurses for nankasa class start for the campaign man 2019 ne nyuma penti akufa the nyuma penti 2019 ana Ghana training nurses almost started akufa the 2020 campaign ema no anoma ekrokra plaka nana we need you in 2020 and we go say we don't need JM back to cancel our lawa and we just say economy in coma gave us alawa because we kaya Mahama free so no o ka say Ghana economy no e the ICU so e wo coma wa we na mpana maka dompe and obi kana say economy in coma gave us alawa because Mahama cancel alawa ka say the economy is in coma, is in crisis. But obi buy that economy na Mahama ka say wo coma na nkasa no obi buy wetin dey that economy na so ama ya lawa dia na ndeze for na nkasa ye campaign dey we ku for do 2019 na ka 1 full year say na kwa about trouble but still no more year campaign kura na ku for da nkasa start a campaign na nurses for nkasa na the campaign at the man ema ya ko 2020 election no exactly 8th June na mesle exactly 8th June 2020 Mahama ebe kan sembi ewa hanomo I will maintain allowances for training teachers and nurses if I win 2020 post. Mahama be kan say senyame ye na dom na say 2020 akwa abatu mu na already a alawa na kufa abe restore no ono so ba obeto aso onse ntwam bi obeto aso o maga ga say masa sebi o ga say ngwase afo ana ye ntoma na obe dada ebi mo ye ntoma na ba ya ahoro mo betwam ye ntoma si ete emo man trauma no ye ko 2024 Mahama sa de campaign say oh Ghana for mesra mo oh ani die mu montuma me mu hu mo nurses for mesra mi twa mesra mo montuma me na me ba I will continue paying allowances na go for adema me tua me koso tua na me kura me hu ni say as e bi ho ha etimi delay by 3 months now aboma baba akoba me dey make sure say month bia ebeba Mahama can say we nyina ba settle Mahama can say we nyina say oba alawa no obetua ko 7th August ya Mahama na ka tell him say NDC will not cancel nurses and teacher training allowances. John Mahama said. John Mahama himself, and the assembly said the NDC will not cancel teacher training and nursing training allowances or cancel with 7th August 2024. Yako election. Emuana Jehu appear. Esbeka say Mahama won't cancel nursing training allowance. In case you don't know who Jehu Appiah is, he was a member of the 2024 Manifesto Committee of the for the NDC. I say we're a doctor. Omo Mahama 2024, manifesto nipo mo tena se draft ye no na oka ho bi. Ono na beka na bontene say Mahama eba nursing training and teacher training allowance no, he won't cancel it. Enti abusuya eye dai enafi enra echi no Mahama ko read the State of the Nation address no onya akukoduro ejina Ghana fo nyina anim e ka kire Ghana fo say I have restored nursing training allowance. Mahama nka nokre afisi matma me say me ka say Mahama nka nokra say mo afi matemase say me ka say Mahama nokre ni nanum a say afi mo ne me ya adwene on nka nokre and was say Speaker of Parliament etimi ton safre Mahama near ton safre nipa kura or drafted that State of the Nation address nipa kura twere ye etimi ton safre ono no near ton safre Mahama ka ho ne do be gira Parliament no mutimi answer to some because sebe omuntimi fa Ghana for say yankwasiafo monkwa muntimi ngotena se enko twere lies e megina Ghana fo nyina nim e meke kan twere ye say asede adwen na yitirimu da bi adwen ye adwuma magu speaker kura ni mu ase right honorable speaker eti adwam na mu twatro kire no mu twatro say mu na ma restore alawa when was allowance na mu na restore ya anka 2024 then na mo sa ka kire Ghana for say when we come we won't cancel it mo come kure abusia na say N17 na ma ha we kan e fire tro eno na free fa eno kwa me ba fa bronye omo abege kan omo adwen e de akire no
onyanko Yesu enipa dodo asan ana omo ma omo brododi ye efidi omo ma omo menye ema omo bibi ya den enum gu so odo mu ni ma me de ma omo wo comment section na omo de amame na enadi anwanwa sema President Mahama aye no eburu ne Yesu ye ya ofidi enipa empemnum a odem patake toa bi ni brodo ketoa bi edi fidi omo no ne President Mahama aye no aburu ne Yesu ye no so aburu so a sa ampa ye ka sensenkyere ne agya John Mahama ampa ni nyina ne sai President Mahama etimi kya nkokɔ ahenson aduo no ade ma enipa empem dumiensa o de kɔ brofo kasemu a okita nkokɔ 720 otimi kya ma nipa 13,000 producer bo video no mantie.
Even before I launched the Nkotoko Kitekiti program, 720 beds had been distributed during the pilot phase to 13,000 farmers in 12 districts. Even before I launched the Nkotoko Kitekiti program, 720 beds had been distributed during the pilot phase to 13,000 farmers in 12 districts. Even before I launched the Nkotoko Kitekiti program, 720 beds had been distributed during the pilot phase to 13,000 farmers in 12 districts.
And this is about so Maya Coco, no Hurifaso, nani Telewatiti, no Bofaso, nani. And now we're buying a nursing trainee a B school. Tankokoni Bikoreno. We buy a nursing training. Tankoko fear no be Nafako to school fees in my area. And you know, say ya no yanko school. Na so biako school no dina yanim kasa. Nti odi atema yenhu. Yenhu say or the school no na afa ho di atem yenhu. Ni etimi gidi say ye the policy ba. Ni enya nkrofo binum na omo ti social media na omo supporto na omo bufaso na omo kamfo na sa wo die serious self person hwe ba o person hwe ba ana government policy bia ba na ese policy we me the way e na ebe pagya me family government policy bia ba na ese policy bi wo ho me pese me di pagya me family yesi akokɔ nketenkete awurade yedi we pagya family nkokɔ miensa ni abobuo ama ofie ni yesi so ye nananom ye papa nom ne ayi ye makwan ye kwa akurase efie nkokɔ wo mo bo obuo no ni padodo ase ne ye tonjo wo mo kɔ university efie nkokɔ that time no efie nkukwa nipa ba akotimi ye mfie nkukwa be 1,000 ana de se mfie nkukwa no kra because of portrait no wo free system no mu free system no mu just that no be call weekends wo be call for mu na nipa ba akode upie fie wa 1,500 fie nkukwa nko a ano no kra no and school fees that time kra na school fees wo fam no na school fees wo fama ebia na oti 10 eton that time sa akokɔ gina hɔ fi akokɔ gina hɔ tum sa akokɔ nie na ton 10 kora na etimi ye bibi no eno kora no and school fees na school fees any hostel fee ukaboma eko 15,000 policy amonfa Yegusu jina hwa ne ye ba be wie ne yakɔ eniema no me Ghana Labor Union fo nyina bose nyame ya adoma on the 17th of March Eniema mienu na aban ne ko ka kire mo 17th of March. Sami ya serve me letter ni bi se me mra Jubilee House nti meko ye distribution no labor union no meko ye ba be bo mama ne sa afiwei ada se e betem akatua so anase munya akatua ntumu aban na odina parliament say economy ni ye no obefre aban adwumayefo aka kire mo say eniema nye enti no munya akatua ntumu anase obeye frank aka kire mo say makatua no sentumu bi a ode mam na ano no osana ginade enti eniema miensa ana on the 17th of March letter na omo twere ya o mama ye bi say ye mra Jubilee House ye beko na letter no mo ntwa letter ni di 6 p.m. time na institutional heads for na ko office o ma ye adwuma abre no I say ko mo ko fie ko rese no that time na binding meeting share ntu ba ko office akwa ye adwuma labor union representatives ni nyina no mo ba ye ranch wa ebebo phone no mo abre na binding meeting akwa she 6 p.m. enti mo tete wa ye ba ma mo pipa mo sensan wi a ye agreement na de atare to se mo nyina mo bae na mo gitum 6 p.m. that time mo beduro na mo abre nti ni aban ne beka no mo de anukum ana beje so say mo foa so na mom aban ne so obeye frank aka kire mo say e ma mo expect akatua ntomu bia efri mu ho efri aban ho anase 9% no de ma mo no kura aban say niam mo ayedene obeje na de back. Take it from me, say on the 17th, ebabaso ewukurum ha. Me nko in the spiritual realm. Omo nko ho umbedi trono say in the spiritual realm, in the spiritual dabi. Me the local realm. Me the local realm it ya when say TV. Local realm na makatre mo say. Mo 9% no. Enye nwanwa say on the 17th na ban be suspended. Anya nwanwa sa aban be ka kire mo se niam mo ayeden enti aban adwumayefo ese salary reduction because omo ba betete omo de so enti mo nso mo ntemo de so anya nwanwa sa aban be ka kire mo se the whole of 2020 to 2027 aban se oye economy ni ye enti o mama katua ntumu.
Now the same John Dramani Mahama aba be ka kire in 2026 1 year down the lane says 721 billion. Or no John Dramani Mahama suddenly so when yesikan wahiu so nyan wahiu 721 billion no eswate abafom by 82.1 billion. Tiye kan yi. Now ojina hona or kasano. He again announced to the people say wa share a big push project in a dear ben na be 50 billion tie ebi awo yewra John Dramani Mahama. We say over beto ka 721 billion. Sa 721 billion no. One man drop it about 82.1 billion. So now you must see can number 600 and something billion. But on so onye no kure funtino. The same time he announced that was starting big push project. Sa big push project you know, it will cost the tune of 50 billion Ghana cedi. Sa 50 billion minu mienu nyina nim say e Bosnia and wakwakobo. It's wakwakobo Bosnia 50 billion. So would the new roads project there? How come say we see a Swati 82 billion, but 150 billion and can Ghana debt because o chairman for intro. Again, wakachre is a 15 billion Ghana cedi bia stalled project. Kufa the shares yes we ya when we any dear or no John Dramani Mahama shares here 15 billion. Wakobo Bosnia now so kobo Bosnia 50 billion for your roads project. Ekobo another Bosnia 15 billion. Now, Banana say ye can add 721 billion, but a swat by 82.1 billion. But you forget or you refuse or you intentionally. And can't the man for say what's up boka 50 billion a year big push roads. What boka 15 billion. So in actual fact, yet 65 billion, if free 82 billion more. Ghana can drop it by 82 billion. To that amount for no. Ultra man for intro. When you say man for no more. That is the kind of leader we have. A very dishonest character. Fiscal discipline now, we promise Ghana for no. Was it no buy and we drop it from 721 billion by a margin of now at forcing about betray intro. Meanwhile, we Bosia 50 billion and no one fan kaho. It is what the Bosia 50 billion, Eka 721 billion. Another 15 billion or a year stalled project or the Kahua. And your public debt ever rising from 71 billion, 721 billion, plus additional 75 billion. And some wakachers were reducing by 82, to reducing by 82, were reducing by 82 billion, so about 65 billion agum. And this is the leader you believe. Tienye. Yet to Kroma say na President Mahama ba ye wadi Takashi. Ano beka chire ye ora.
Anti-corruption institutions, and we had a strengthened anti-corruption institutions, and we had a project called Operation Recover All the Loot. It meant to recover all the loot that had been taken away from the Ghanaian people. And so you might hear of prosecutions and things of people who actually had mismanaged public resources.
Now, this is a case where President Mahama Eshe Ghana Fobo Onu Okuja to Ablakwa, mirror of lies, mirror of justice in the true shem tro and tro. Me who foreign minister will try to so Okuja to Ablakwa da. Me who be that. President Mahama be catchere say, Ekufuado abayin wa mu ye corrupt. Ekufuado abayin wa mu ye akromfo to the point that oba ye no wasete a year debe ora wa mo kwa kwaje Okuja to be catchere say $21 billion media ye beje afre Ekufuado abusuafo ene ne nkrofo ho. Eno na nam so ma President Mahama be say o ya reported a year over 2,000 cases of corruption. State of the Nation address 2025. He told all of us that 2,000 a year cases of corruption has been reported for prosecution. And what the SkyTrain 2 million scandal can home. What the 50 million a year ghost names in the national service in your account. Now, one more by no fast forward. It doesn't grow for tria and minimum abayi 50 kwete bekai. Abayi ba ye minimum crofan no more previous abayi ni mwa. Wama pe NDC for di ni mwa. Wama kwa negotiate. Kedi America yi. Wama bo manfo no krono so abayi agibie no ma die no ma tena so. Minimum eti Mahama abayi is as corrupt as the government that left government, and in fact they are more corrupt. Average Mahama ko hwe ye no nim so ntimi nchi obi a. Yentie di worker yenti.
Punished. As President Mills of blessed memory said, he said, I may be as impatient as everyone else to see justice done, but painstaking investigations must be conducted, dockets must be prepared, charges must be filed, and the accused must have their day in court, including appealing even on the smallest point of law to higher courts. This process is necessary to...
Accused must have their day in court and appeal even on the smallest of procedure and processes at the courts. And yet, Ujina Simpio Sutama open mouth for to me. I can't pay and Nabi Oba Obechina to. Okay, what's it they will go to jail? Nanabi them will be prosecuted and go to jail. So you knew that justice must be done, and if justice must be done, it must be done well. It must be seen to be done. And yet, you deceive the people, say 2,000 cases, 2025. A year State of the Nation address. In time, I will back say 2,000 cases, President Mahama. On what basis? 80,985 cases in our case. Cases at your mama saka.
Protect us all against abuse or ill treatment of citizens, and to ensure that only those guilty of offenses against the state are punished. As President Mills of blessed memory said, he said, and I quote, the wheels of justice grind slowly, but they grind exceedingly fine. Mr. Speaker, let me reassert my...
The wheels of justice grind slowly. If they say, well, when say some no more kind, and you know, correct. It wa na wode hye ho. Wa President Mahama na ade hye ho. Now President Mahama him said, the ekeka kone hwinsi. Wa muntimi njeli ma o ayi kenoforiata di. Ayi anadwuma na semo adanko daada adre me beti baby am tin me hunu nioma ehunu nia nioma ekoso before see e beto aba ni nyina enkomo ekoso ne kenoforiata ebe ni se befa ebe mena fa ha be esi. Senajo Mahama ani abre pa so obeti kenoforiata. Ankada wono Jo Mahama yesu ani in the first thing ankobe ni se ko besizi oforiata from traveling. Na man for mon tin nioma na se. Chede me kan yi de ekoso bebre na mon ti ase. Adanko daada adre o. Enkomo bi koso before election. Jo Mahama nya sika wo he na no wo be ye campaign. Ayi NDC opposition for no omu wo sika sa. Na NDC wo sika me ka say oh. Mumusa Jo Mahama so nya sika no yi. Eti no foriata adwane, no foriata adwane nko ba bia. Oforiata de odwane nyina Jo Mahama ni hu bi. Omo nyina nti de omo ye anadwo manasem na yadanko daada adwe. Ye ni say fa ni say ba kosia. Akoye se jeje pen so. Omo ye kumiprako demonstration ye chi wo mo nyina da. Akufo do Penyah anche no. Mumusa se de enti na kumiprako. Ebise de enti ayanche Akufo ado ne se. Akufo ado time a wo so a no wo ko school na ne papa eye president of Ghana. Edward Akufo ado. Na is national security near na wode ne ko school tie de meka memo no bebre mu ntiase. National security near no wode Akufo ado ko school London. Ehwe ne so ebo Akufo ado ho ban. Eye retired captain retired the late Kojo Chikata tie de meka yi. Tie memo no mo de mo adwene di agro. Your mama say ko ayi hwan ko say hwan bo say hwan kanoforiata be firi mu nyina yenim wonim hu bi. Your mama nim pefe say kanoforiata no be koda okoy. Si e be chi obi na jo say Akufo ado no so ba no say ya na obeye no threaten open ni case no ye ko ye ba ye say na say ni say ana o mo mbe bie account of Fidelity Bank be je kakra gu mu ni ade ye bie ye ne ye ni say Your mama mu ba ye nso mo nso abia account ye ni say akoye say na wie say. Eti hwi ni wo hwi nsi. Ye kumiprako demonstration wie ye Akufo ado ne ayi ya chi wo bi ye Akufo ado hwem no afa ayi woni bi ntia. If say jeje wofa any captain retire Kojo Chikata the late. Ana Akufo ado nso de no ohwe ne so time wo hwa ne ade eti wo ye more like a father to him. Captain Kojo Chikata the ayi Captain Chikata the late. Na ye ba ba chi Akufo ado ayi kumiprako ese oh no ye bie pro na hwim fam no mo ma adwene di agoro. Tie de meka yi. Edi se no wa adwene mo odwen se Akufo ado ni jeje. Said they no more year politics and no more attempt for and you correct. They were not attempt for no more number for tight. No more number for pa. Sana Jo Mahama ne ayi ye can say. Ayi oforiata. Mamu ma bibia na adam. Hwinsi mi bia case ni nyina chero. Hwi ensi. Ade the margin di agro. It will be now and the heels of justice is grinding slowly. And grinding kusi hwe.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.